Hello everyone, in this video I will show you what to do if the lid of your laptop doesn't stay in place. I have a Lenovo laptop like this. Recently its lid stopped staying fixed. When you open it, it moves easily, falls down and just won't stay in place. This problem needs to be solved. First of all, you need to get to the screen hinges. To do this, different laptops require different steps, but on my laptop we will unscrew all the screws on the bottom and open the bottom cover. Now that all the screws are removed, we need to take off the cover. For this, I use a regular plastic bank card. Run it along the perimeter of the cover. Keep going until the cover comes off. Set it aside. After that, you need to get access to the screen hinges. To do this, take the same flat card and pry off this protective cover until it clicks. On one side. Now the cover is removed. And here at the base of the screen there are these small adjustment nuts. On one side and on the other. They need to be tightened as much as possible to adjust the screen opening. I don't have an open end wrench, so I'll use regular pliers and slightly tighten these nuts on both sides. You need a size 6 wrench here, but I don't have one at the moment. As you can see, this nut turns very easily right now. I am going to tighten it up with a bit more physical force, so that the screen will stay closed much more firmly than it did before. With greater force. I've tightened it on one side, now let's tighten the same nut on the other side. In this case, the nut is more loosened than before, so you will need to make several more turns. But you must still ensure that it remains securely fixed in place. After fully tightening it, carefully rotate it back in the opposite direction by about one complete 360-degree turn. The reason for doing this is to ensure that the screen opens freely and remains perfectly comfortable for you to work with on both sides. After this adjustment, check how the screen is fixed. We can see that now the screen is secured in its place. It's quite firm and it's convenient to close and secure it in this position. Now you can reassemble everything in reverse order. After that, put the hinge cover back in place. To do this, place it on top and press it down until it locks. Secure the bottom cover in its place. Snap it into place all around the perimeter. After that, screw in the mounting tube along the entire area of the bottom cover. And after that, you can check how the lid works. Lift it up, the fixation is quite firm and solid. Nothing falls, and it also closes tightly and securely. So, the lid adjustment was successful. You have just watched a video on how to adjust the top cover of a laptop if it doesn't stay in place. Leave your feedback and comments, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, stay with us, and goodbye to everyone.